I'm using a 24mm spanner. I'll crack off the 2 half nuts. And I'll drop the washers. I'll just support the back of the bike and hopefully pull the shock absorber off. Lay the shock absorber down. It's worth mentioning at this point, a little bit of grease on these 2 points will aid the shock absorber going both on and off and reducing the amount of seizure you can get in these. Once one of these is seized on, you normally have to cut it off, and that's quite an awkward job. So a little finger full of grease, wipe round them both before you put a shock absorber on is a very good idea. As you can see, the bike flops down, and if you look at the front of the bike, we should have a good distance at the front in order to remove the front wheel. Right, I'll just wander around. The front wheel on a Lambretta. This is a disc brake on this model. And the disc brake is held on with 2 spindle nuts, one here and one the other side, and also a back plate locating nut. On the older models, on the drum brake models, we have a drum brake here. It doesn't have a locating nut, it simply has a sleeve which fits with a pin on the fork link, so there's no need to remove an extra nut. I'll take these both off so we can have a look at them both together side by side. We need to disconnect the front brake and the speedo cable. In order to disconnect the front brake, as you can see, there's a thumb adjuster on here. We should be able to unwind the thumb adjuster. We don't need to take it all the way off, but just so it's fairly loose. That should be enough. Then pushing and unhooking the brake from this end. Then we should be able to simply lift the cable out.